All right, we're in this building here, and someone saw the thieves. Report in. Bye-bye. That's funny. We got this thing here. Adam Survivor. This thing's pretty small. Yeah, it's kind of a small elevator here. Or as the millennials would say, small with an O. And not very fast either. It's a funny effect on the segments, the way they like fade to the top. Anyway, let's test the emergency light. Oh, it doesn't work. What a shame. I'm calling the building department or whoever, I don't know. Anyway, it's got that rounded style panel of the Etco. I don't know why that's so significant. The thing is pretty slow. I always thought this wraparound version of Survivor looks kind of nice, to be honest. That will be it. And apparently that will be it for the thieves, too, I guess. Anyway, that will be all. Also, wait, look at this weird fire alarm.